Once again, overnight tonight, if you're in a coastal area, you're probably going to be dealing with fog. And if you're wondering why so much fog, well, the wind is slightly out of the south. We've got our water temperatures down to the 60s. Temperatures at night are falling into the 60s, and you saturate that air mass, you get fog to develop. So we'll likely see that again tomorrow morning. It will be a little more patchy across the area, as we're also going to see higher wind values throughout the day tomorrow, as well as potential for a couple of showers. So that'll bring our rain chances up to 30%. The patchy fog through the morning hours, the isolated shower activity, wind back up to the south and east at about 15 miles per hour. Plenty of warmth out there, a little bit cooler where we do have some rain in that frontal boundary trying to sneak a little further off to the south. But from Defuniak Springs all the way down to Apalachicola, sitting right around 70 degrees, even warmer from Bluntstown to Tallahassee, 77 to 76 along I-10 there. A couple of isolated showers, mostly along that sea breeze boundary today. And I told you that cold front trying to sneak off to the south, but doing so running into the wind out of the south, helping to bring a couple of showers here or there. So a couple lucky locations have picked up an isolated shower here or there, but overall no thunderstorm activity, and we should stay limited as we go through our Tuesday and Wednesday as well. The wind again will be stronger out of the south throughout your Tuesday and on Wednesday. Fog, isolated shower activity, but overall dry conditions. We'll just call it partly cloudy and muggy. By the time we get into Thursday morning early, we're going to start to see a stronger frontal boundary knocking on the door, but thankfully severe threat does look to be further off to our north and west. You can see that with the heavier rainfall totals there as well. It's not until Thursday that we really see the rest of the area being overspread with moisture and rainfall totals. Even still, most of the rain off to our west. Thursday afternoon, however, that boundary could stall right along the Forgotten coastline, maybe portions of Bay County included in that, to see some heavier rainfall totals there. So we'll keep an eye on that to see if we can see that boundary kind of working back and retrograding back across the area to provide some heavier rain risk. But overall, it looks like we're going to see some fading frontal boundaries working through our area with the greater severe risk off to our north and west. It will be breezy for your Tuesday and Wednesday with the wind out of the south. We'll see gusts as high as 20 to 25 both Tuesday, and even a little bit breezier for Wednesday afternoon as well, again with the wind out of the south. So if you are headed to the coast, keep that in mind. Looking at the overall bigger picture here, you can see the colder air stuck off to our north. There's the fading frontal boundary on Thursday, mostly just a heavy rain concern. But as we get into the weekend, we'll have another cold front come in here, and this could bring us at least the chance of some cooler air. We'll have to keep a close eye on that frontal boundary as well, as it could also bring the threat of storms. Right now, it looks like that severe risk, again, mostly off to our north and off to our west, but two chances at some heavier rounds of rain across the area. And yes, by next Monday, you can see those daytime highs only in the low 60s. So some cooler air is going to come back. Not that crazy cold we saw in January, but some cooler air is on the way.
No cool, but it's going to be hot enough soon enough.
Yeah, we'll get there soon enough. Let's delay it.
Yeah, we'll take a little cooler. All right, thanks.